they're eating bugs. Hi.
But they can grow up to be like that crocodiles, right? Puppy? Or way bigger. Yep.
I can't record.
I seen alligators have the biggest. Let's just see a gazelle.
Yeah, they're gazelles. Check your list. Check the thing.
That's what I've been telling you, Papi.
Look, humans.
Human?
Look at those. Look, 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 look. Look.
What is it?
Keep going.
They are. Whoa.
Sam.
Oh, they're so cool. Right? Yeah.
Bájale el vidrio a Ezra, babe.
Chamel, mira. Those are even raccoons. Yo.
We're going to the zoo too, guys. So some of these might be in the zoo. Ese se llama. Is it? Oh, they are. Look. Yes, we caught it.
Fight. They are fighting.
Oh, yeah, they are. Whoa.
Come on, push one in the
Whoa.
water.
Oh.
Oh, mommy, you know bobcats eat those?
Wait.
Puppy, you know. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to see these guys. In Wildcats, remember, Puppy? Oh, the bobcats that reaches them and bites them. Wait, how do you put on my window down? Wait. Can we pass them?
Someone knows gonna pick you.
Hombre, te va.
Look at what's there. A cow. Maybe.
You may now take a picture of our friend, Mr. Camel. Zebras that we've rescued. And although
I'm an Indian.
Whoa!
Puppy?
Oh, sí?
Yeah. A long time ago with
I
David,
don't
I
know.
think.
No me dice que.
You can't come in. So tell me when to put the window up.
So cute.
What is it? I can't. Yeah?
Oh. Oh.
Whoa! Look, it's right there on that tree camouflage. Mia! It's right there on that tree. Under. Down. Oh, it has holes.
Wait.
Spit, mommy. Rave's gonna try.
Oh. Sing it.
Hey.
I said, don't-
Shit. That's for real. And right here. Back. This is mine. Chemo. Puppy. Put it in the bag. Oh, you're so good.
Look, watch someone because I'm already learned how to do it. Awesome. I don't know, grab it with his tongue. Now they're
Oh, giraffe.
So when you're feeding, it'll be one piece at a time. No rush. Okay. And I only have this one giraffe, so if you want to hang out another three.
It only was. Up to me.
Come this way.
Thing.
have any